Hey everyone! So what is DeepSeek today? We're diving into the game-changing AI tool that's got everyone talking, DeepSeek. If you're ready to transform how you find information, stick around. So, what makes DeepSeek different? It's not just another search engine. DeepSeek is an AI-powered assistant that goes beyond basic results. It understands your questions and delivers precise, actionable answers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech content. Imagine researching for work, school, or just planning your next trip. DeepSeek simplifies it all. You ask, it delivers exactly what you need. No fluff, no wasted time. DeepSeek adapts to you, learning your preferences to make your experience faster and smarter. So, what are you waiting for? If you're as excited about the future of AI as I am, follow us and find out more about DeepSeek. And hey, before you go, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.